tobacco is the leading cause of preventable death in the United States. We know that it causes about 500,000 or 500,000 deaths a year in the United States alone, leading it to be the leading cause of preventable death. Someone who is a current smoker has nearly 3 times the mortality rate as someone who has never smoked. And that on average, smokers' lives are about 10 years shorter than non-smokers. So this is all data that we've known for some time. And moving away from just the effect on life and suffering, the cost to California alone, the numbers are above for the US, but the cost to California is over $13 billion a year. And in fact, each one of us pays about $600 a year to try to help provide the care and the medical expenses for smokers, whether we smoke or not.